Good morning. You have reached the Modern Cut Salon. My name is Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hello, my name is Alex. I am calling because I would like to schedule an appointment for a haircut, please.
Of course, Alex. I can certainly help you with that. We would be delighted to welcome you to our salon. Are you looking to book for today or for a future date?
I am hoping to get an appointment sometime in the next few days. My hair is getting a little too long, and I have an important event to attend next week.
I understand completely. It's always nice to have a fresh haircut for a special occasion. We will do our best to find a time that works for you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I have never been to your salon before. A friend recommended it to me. He said, "You do a fantastic job."
We are always happy to hear that. We love welcoming new clients. So, to start, can you tell me what service you would like to book today?
I just need a men's haircut. A simple trim to make it look neat again.
Okay, a men's haircut. And would you like that to include a hair wash and conditioning treatment before the cut? Or would you prefer just a simple dry cut?
That is a good question. I think I would like the full service, please. A hair wash would be very relaxing. So a wash, cut, and style, please.
A wash, cut, and style. An excellent choice. It's our most popular service for men. It ensures we can get the perfect result, and it includes a relaxing head massage during the wash.
A head massage sounds wonderful. I am definitely booking the right service then. That is exactly what I need after a long week of work.
It is a great way to relax. Now, have you been to our salon before, or do you have a specific stylist that you would like to book your appointment with?
This will be my first time visiting your salon, so I don't know any of your stylists yet. I don't have a preference for any particular person.
That's perfectly fine. All of our stylists are highly trained and very talented. In that case, I can book you in with any stylist who has an open appointment slot. Is that okay with you?
Yes, that is absolutely fine with me. I am sure anyone at your salon will do a great job. I am not particular about who cuts my hair.
Wonderful. That will make it a little easier to find an available time for you. Let me just open up our appointment book on the computer here.
Great. I am looking at my own calendar as well, so I can see what times I am free.
Okay, I have the schedule open now. What day and time were you hoping to come in for your appointment?
I am busiest during the week. The weekend is usually the best time for me to get things like a haircut done. Would it be possible to get an appointment for this Saturday?
This coming Saturday, let me check for you. Saturdays are our busiest day of the week, so appointments fill up very quickly. Were you thinking of the morning or the afternoon?
The afternoon would be ideal for me. Any time after 1 o'clock would be perfect. Do you have any availability then?
Let me take a look at Saturday afternoon. I am sorry, Alex, but it looks like we are completely booked up from 12 o'clock until we close at 6. I don't have a single open slot.
Oh, really? Not a single one? That is a shame. I was really hoping to get it done on Saturday afternoon.
I am very sorry about that. Our weekend appointments, especially for Saturdays, are often booked 2 or 3 weeks in advance. Is there any other day that might work for you?
I suppose I could try a different day. What about Saturday morning? You said the afternoon was full.
Is there any chance there is an opening in the morning?
I can check that for you right now. Looking at Saturday morning, I am afraid it is the same story. We are fully booked then as well. I'm very sorry.
I understand. A popular salon is a good sign. Okay, so Saturday is completely out. What about Friday? Do you have any time available this Friday?
Let me switch to Friday's schedule. Yes, Friday looks much better. We do have some openings on Friday afternoon. Would that be a possibility for you?
Friday afternoon. I think I can make that work. I have a meeting in the morning, but I should be free in the afternoon. That could be a great option. Okay, so Friday afternoon is a possibility. What times do you have available then?
Let's see. On Friday afternoon, I have an opening at 2:15, or if that is too early for you, I have another one later in the day at 4:30.
2:15 or 4:30. Let me think about that for a moment. My morning meeting is scheduled to end at noon, so I will have lunch after that.
So, the 2:15 appointment should give you plenty of time after your meeting and lunch. The 4:30 slot would be at the very end of the workday.
I think the earlier time is better for me. It would be nice to get the haircut done and then have the rest of my afternoon and evening free. Let's book the 2:15 appointment, please.
Perfect. So that is an appointment for a wash, cut, and style on Friday at 2:15 in the afternoon. I'll reserve that time slot for you right now.
That's great news. I'm happy we found a time that works. I have another quick question for you. How long should I expect the appointment to take?
That is a very good question. It's always good to know so you can plan the rest of your day. For a men's wash, cut, and style, we usually schedule a 45-minute appointment.
45 minutes. That sounds about right. So I should be finished and ready to leave by about 3 o'clock?
Yes, that is correct. Sometimes it is a little bit quicker, but scheduling 45 minutes gives the stylist plenty of time to consult with you about the style you want and not feel rushed.
That makes sense. And one more question, if you don't mind. Could you please tell me how much that service costs?
Of course, the price for a men's wash, cut, and style is 45 euros.
45 euros. Okay, that is good to know. Thank you for the information.
You are very welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Alex?
Actually, yes. I just thought of something else. I also have a beard, and it could also use a little bit of a trim to make it look neater. Is that a service you provide?
Yes, we certainly do. Many of our stylists are also trained as barbers. A beard trim is a very popular service here.
That's perfect. Would it be possible to add a beard trim to my appointment on Friday?
Absolutely. Let me just add that to your booking. A beard trim will add about 15 minutes to your appointment time, so your total appointment will now be 1 hour instead of 45 minutes.
An hour is perfectly fine. And what is the additional cost for the beard trim?
The beard trim service is an additional 15 euros, so the total price for all your services will be 60 euros. So I have now booked you in for a wash, cut, and style, plus a beard trim. The appointment is for this Friday at 2:15. Is that all correct?
Yes, that is all correct. Thank you for adding that for me. It saves me from having to make a separate appointment somewhere else.
It's our pleasure. The last step is for me to take down a few of your details for our booking system. Could I please have your first and last name?
Of course, my first name is Alex, Alex, and my last name is Ivanov, Ivanov.
Thank you, Alex Ivanov. And could I also get a contact phone number for you, please? We use it to send a reminder message the day before your appointment.
That is a very helpful service. My phone number is 067-612-345-67.
Okay, let me just repeat that back to you to make sure I have it right. The number is 067-612-345-67.
Yes, that is the correct number.
Excellent. I have all your details now, Alex. Your appointment is officially in our system. I will give you one final confirmation.
Please do. It's good to hear it one last time to be sure.
You are booked for an appointment this Friday, which is September the 12th, at 2:15 in the afternoon. The appointment is for a wash, cut, and style, and a beard trim, and it will last approximately 1 hour.
That is all perfect. I will put it in my calendar right now.
Wonderful. We just have a small request. If for any reason you need to cancel or reschedule your appointment, we kindly ask that you let us know at least 24 hours in advance.
That seems very fair. I will be sure to call you if my plans change, but I am sure I will be there.
We look forward to seeing you then. Thank you for calling the Modern Cut. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for all your help, Sarah. You have a great day too. Goodbye.